Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to be making an 808 kick with Ableton's wavetable synth. Now, this is something that I like to do to kind of take a synth through its paces, and that is to make kick drums. And what better one than a bendy, cool, trap sounding 808. So a kick is a simple sine wave. I'll just make this big. And the default is this sine wave right here. We can change it around, but let's stick with the sine wave here. And we're going to kind of map the envelope to this sine wave's pitch and have the pitch really high at the beginning very quickly, and that'll create kind of like a snap. That's basically what a kick is. When it gets down to it, bring the pitch up, pitch, envelope 2, right? Modulation matrix. Right, that's pretty 90s. And yeah, there is our kick. And we can do something really neat. Is you can just add a drum bus. And yeah, that's a kick that'll get all the honeys. So I like to do kind of things that are different. I'm going to get rid of that. And I want the transient to be a brief amount of distortion. Now, the wavetable comes with a very high quality analog modeled filter. And I'm going to just give, I'll go MS2, give that a try. And now we have this drive option. And when I play around with it, it'll automatically appear context sensitively in the modulation matrix. And I'll map that to envelope 2. Right, so the very beginning of this kick, it is distorted, basically. And there's a lot of harmonics, and then it goes away, the drive goes down. I'll turn that to mono, that's very important. Try different distortion modes in the drum bus. And from there, we can just play around. EQ, maybe add like a saturator, shape the sound to how we want it. It's very 808, that's a very pure fundamental. When that hits the subs, man, you're going to be doing whatever you do. So yeah, that's a basic kind of kick there. And yeah, we made it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you learned stuff. I'm going to hit the hay. All right, hope you learned stuff and have a good one.